Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today I have this Spigen Ultra Hybrid Slim case for iPhone 14 Pro. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product, install it to my iPhone and see how it looks. A card from Spigen, smaller but more powerful new adapter. Oh, there it is, on a black color. You can find it in two other colors. I like it. Nice feeling at my hand. Made from a blend of polycarbonate and thermoplastic polyurethane for durability. Flexible thermoplastic polyurethane for fast and easy case installation. Military grade drop and scratches protection via the air cushion technology at four corners here. Nice. I like it. It is beautiful. I like this matte. iPhone 14 Pro. Let's remove this protective film from the case. Crystal clear design infused with a blue resin for long-lasting clarity. And let's install it. By the way, I have made a video about this screen protection from Spigen, and we can see it fits very well with a Spigen case. 100% ultimate protection for your new iPhone Pro 14. We can see raised edges for screen and camera protection. Definitely you can have your phone at the table and don't worry for any scratches for your camera. And the same and for the screen. Obviously we have the screen protection, but the edges are raised. Nice, I like it. It is compatible of course with wireless charging. It has a slim and minimalist design. You can't even notice that the case is being installed. Access all the buttons without a problem. And at the bottom, nice, I like it. Definitely, it feels that you have a premium case and it looks great. And it will protect my iPhone Pro 14 if I will accidentally drop it down or leave it at the table. Protects my camera and the screen. If you want to find out more about this screen protector from Spigen, you can check down below to the description and the unboxing that I made for this iPhone Pro 14. Well guys, that was all about. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.